Here is how to set user permissions in Wave. Begin from your Wave account while you are already signed in, and first make sure the correct business is selected. This matters if you manage more than one business in the same account because permissions are assigned within the business you are currently viewing. Once you have confirmed that, move to the upper right corner of the page and click your business name. This opens the account menu for the business that is active right now. From that menu, select Business Settings to open the settings area where user access is managed. Inside Business Settings, look for the User Management section, then click Users. That takes you to the Users page, where you can review the people who already have access to the business or begin the process of inviting someone new. On the Users page, find the user whose access you want to update. If you are adding a new user instead, start the invitation process from this same page and continue by choosing the role you want that person to have. Wave provides several roles, including admin, editor, and viewer. The role you select determines which parts of the business the user can open and what actions they can perform. Choose admin if the user needs full access to Wave. This role includes access to sales, purchases, accounting, payroll, reports, integrations, user management, and data export. The banking access available for that role is also shown in the permissions details, so review that area if banking access matters for this user. Choose editor if the user needs full access to accounting and reports, but only limited access to sales. This role does not include access to areas such as bank connections, data export, or integrations. Use this role when someone needs to work inside the records and reporting areas without managing the broader business settings and connected services. Choose Viewer if the user only needs view-only access. This role allows the user to see sales, purchases, accounting, and reports, but not make changes. It is appropriate when someone only needs visibility into the business information. After selecting the role, review the permissions displayed on screen. This is the point where you confirm that the role matches the level of access you intend to provide. If anything looks broader or more limited than expected, switch to a different role before continuing. When everything looks correct, save the changes if you updated an existing user. If you are assigning permissions while adding someone new, click Invite User instead, so the invitation is sent with the selected role attached. Thanks for watching. The selected Wave user permissions are now set for the correct business.